Here we have a 67 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Glacier silver metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights and the two kidney grills at the front. We have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have some M badging just there. Taking a step back, you'll find the black door mirrors, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows, privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the sunroof, which is perfect for the summer days. We also have the shark fin antennae. And further down here we have the third alloy wheel. Over here we have the rear spoiler. This car does have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the exhaust just down there, along with some XDRIVE badging. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel. And coming inside now, we take a look at the rear first. In here we have a full leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. We have a foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points, and in the centre here we have the separate vents along with the 12-volt connectivity. Just here we have a brushed metal handle and electric windows with the premium sound system. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior, however these seats are heated. Just there. Over here is the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the same brushed metal handles, electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We also have the electric mirrors. Over here we have the auto lights, a multifunctional steering wheel, and in the centre we have the main infotainment screen with the likes of sat-nav, media, phone connectivity and radio. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox. However, that is all I'm going to show you today, as once this vehicle gets a full valet we'll do a more in-depth video. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.